Hello and welcome to Emifast. I'm Arturo, your go-to expert for tax mitigation and business incorporation. And in today's video, I'll guide you through the whole process of getting a driver's license in the UAE. Whether you're a citizen or a resident, this video will provide you with all the essential information you need, from enrolling in a driving institute to passing your tests and finally obtaining your license. Stay tuned as we break down each step to make your journey to becoming a licensed driver in the UAE as smooth as possible. To get a new driving license in the UAE, citizens or residents must apply to a registered driving institute in their emirate, complete driving training classes, and pass all necessary tests. Once all requirements are met, the applicant receives a new driving license valid for 2 years for citizens, GCC nationals, and other nationalities. To apply for a driving learning permit and a new driving license in the UAE, you must be of a legal age and medically fit. The age requirements are 17 years for motorcycles and vehicles for people with special needs, 18 years for cars and light vehicles, 20 years for heavy vehicles and tractors, and 21 years for buses. You'll need to open a traffic file, and for that, you'll need a few documents. A copy of your passport and residence visa page, your original Emirates ID card, 2 photographs, an eye test report, and if required by the traffic department, a no objection letter from your sponsor. The process involves opening a traffic file at a registered driving center, doing an eye test at an approved center, completing all the necessary driving classes, passing the required tests, and then you can get your driving license from the traffic authority. Renewing your driving license in the UAE is a straightforward process. For UAE and GCC citizens, the license is valid for 10 years, while for residents, it's only valid for 2 years. You can easily renew your license online in most emirates, but make sure to settle any outstanding traffic fines first. If you delay the renewal by more than a month, there's a late fee of 10 dirhams per month. For vehicle registration, any individual or entity can register a vehicle in their name if they own it. Driving an unregistered vehicle on the road is illegal, and a valid driving license from the relevant Emirates Traffic Authority is required. Vehicle registration can be completed in each emirate through service centers, website, or smart application of the traffic departments of the Ministry of Interior. For new vehicles bought from approved car agencies in the UAE, the car agency handles the complete registration process. To register a vehicle, you need to have it inspected at an authorized testing center, except for vehicles made in the last 3 years, by the way. Obtain vehicle insurance from an authorized insurer, pay any fines, apply for registration through approved channels, pay registration fees, and then collect the vehicle ownership card, plate numbers, and expiry date sticker. Required documents for car registration include a vehicle clearance certificate, or VCC, or other relevant vehicle documents, an original Emirates ID, a passport copy, a residence visa copy, and an electric vehicle insurance copy. If the vehicle is mortgaged, the mortgage must be added electronically. For diplomats, a valid diplomatic ID and a letter from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs are needed. For companies, an official letter in Arabic, a copy of the trade license, an endorsement of signature, and an authorization letter are required. In summary, getting a driver's license in the UAE involves a few key steps: enrolling in a registered driving institute, completing the necessary training, passing the required tests, and ensuring you have all the necessary documents. By following these guidelines, you can successfully navigate the process and obtain your driving license efficiently. If you have any questions about corporate tax rates or reincorporation, visit us at emifast.com and give us a call. I'm here to help you make your business a global success. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Safe driving, and I'll see you in the next video.